Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start your e-commerce journey by signing up for a Shopify free trial, usually lasting 3 days, giving you ample time to explore. Next, select a distinctive store name that truly represents your brand. This name will be your online identity. Finally, input your basic business details to complete the initial setup. This easy first step gets you ready to build your online presence. Now, let's make your store visually appealing. Head to the Shopify theme store and pick a professional, responsive theme that suits your products. There are hundreds of options, many of them free. Customize it with your brand's colors and fonts to create a consistent look. Then, organize your navigation menu clearly so customers can easily find what they need. A well-designed store builds trust. Moving on to prototyping, this is where your design comes to life. Connect your individual screens to simulate realistic user flows, guiding users through the app's journey. Incorporate interactive elements such as taps, swipes, and scrolls to mimic actual mobile interactions. Once your prototype is ready, test it directly on a mobile device. This crucial step provides invaluable real-world feedback, allowing you to refine the user experience before development begins. You're almost ready to go live. First, set up your payment gateways to accept popular methods like credit cards and PayPal, ensuring a seamless checkout. Double-check all your store settings, including shipping rates, tax information, and legal policies, to avoid any surprises. Once everything is perfect, remove the store password and officially launch your brand new Shopify store to the world. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.